Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up HYRAX race mode on your AMAZFIT Balance 3. To do it, you can, for example, go to the training calendar here in the app on the main page, then go to HYRAX race calendar. Now you'll find different happening events. Some of them don't have the course map released yet, but let's do the daily. And you can select HYRAX Pro Men, HYRAX Men, HYRAX Women, HYRAX Pro Women, and so on. There are different ones available. Then you can select the target time, click on confirm, and now you'll see everything basically. Then you can click on save. And now you'll see it in your so that is basically it. You've saved it, and now you can start a workout by going to the left side of your watch, sliding from left to right, then finding HYRAX race. You can do individual, for example. Click on go. And you can see it can only be paused by long pressing the SCL button. And now it starts counting the time for the first step. Now when you pass the barrier, you can click on this button right here. Now you'll have about 10 seconds. You can go back if you'd like, if you've made a mistake. Now, if you actually want to transition, you can click on the button, wait for the 10 seconds. And now it's starting the next part. So that's how it works. If I want to cancel it, I can press and hold here and then finish by pressing and holding. Now I'll save it. I'll skip that. And that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.